also.
Huh?
Item 6. Item
What
6.
is item 6?
I am appearing in item 6.
Item
It
6.
challenge the selection process itself, Miller.
Same.
Selection process. This is the Miller 5th December 2008. The selection was done completely illegal, arbitrary.
Right.
Because I am more qualified, having more experience, and I have more publications. A lesser qualified, lesser experienced person has been selected, Miller. I'll demonstrate, and I have worked in the same college for 9 years, Miller. In spite of all and there is a biasness. This respondent number 4, one of the person in the selection committee was in constant touch with the respondent number 6. So that is the biasness and canvassing which is prohibited under the selection process. I will demonstrate all things, Miller. The entire selection is completely wrong and arbitrary, Miller.
Why were you working? What post were you working?
I was working as an ad hoc lecturer in psychology in that particular college, Miller, since 1999. And I was interviewed also, Miller, but I was not selected. In spite of that, respondent number 6 was selected. That is Ritu Sharma, Miller, and another Mandeep Kaur. Mandeep Kaur is not at all qualified even. There is no NET, there is no PhD. In spite of that, she was put at serial number 2. Ritu Sharma was put at serial number 1. But I was put in serial number 3. Now I am having more experience. And Miller, the entire selection process was under 100% Viva voice, which is completely illegal, Miller.
100%?
Viva voice test, Miller. Only 15 minutes, 1-2 minutes test, Miller. That is completely illegal, Miller. My lord says, let down the law. And there are other, I have challenged.
What do you think? It's only, why do you say it was only by, the entire test was by Viva?
Only Viva, 100%.
There was no written test?
No written, and there is no questions asked to my candidate. 15 minutes, just formal questions, and they were interviewed 1 minute, 2 minutes. There is no questions put to understand. That is unguided discretion, Miller. My lord has let down the law. 100% bias, and there is the violation of Article 14 and 16, rights of 14 and 16 also, Miller. Unfairly treated I am. Now I am having more experience, and I worked in that college for 9 years. She worked only 2 years, only 1 year only, Miller. She got selected.
To interfere with the academic assessment of different people's qualifications,
Miller,
will be difficult unless something is shown to me on bona fides or something is shown to me which is completely stark. But I will not be in a position naturally to comment on the quality of research done by anyone in the discipline of psychology.
Miller.
So, or the papers that have been published, etc. The qualifications, to the extent that they are prescribed qualifications, if the person doesn't possess those qualifications, of course, consequences. To the extent that you can establish mala fides, which requires a fairly high degree of proof, the consequences.
I'll demonstrate.
But beyond that, there will be very little.
I'll demonstrate, Miller. Malice in law and malice in fact. I'll demonstrate that. Both. My lord, may I state?
Where do you say? What is your documents to say that one of the members of the committee was in touch with this person for X number of?
My lord, may kindly see my amended petition, Miller. That is page 94, Miller. And they have not denied this. Page 94, Miller, my amended petition.
What PDF page?
2.8.
No, he's referring to some amended petition.
That's why. That
Amended page. Which is the PDF page number, please?
only reliable information.
The petition has reliable information.
Before.
All I'm saying is that everything was in the realm of speculation. There is no concrete evidence. What made him?
That's exactly what I'm asking.
Yes, para 2.8.
No single
Now,
piece of.
tell me 1 second.
My lord, may I reply?
Just 1 second. Was Miss Ritu Sharma also an ad hoc lecturer in the college at the time of the selection?
No, she was not there. She was in Gargi.